The judge has yet to rule on the motion from the city to dismiss them in this part of the case, but did ask both sides to argue their positions further. He didn't say if he's made up his mind on this issue yet or not, but it was a chance for the attorneys for the city to hammer home their position that the plaintiffs haven't proved the city is liable for what happened during that fatal shooting. The excessive force claim, the city arguing they can't be held responsible for Darby's actions. Actions the city say were within city policy and training standards. The Parker family sees this as a case that could change policy related to mental health and use of force within the police department moving forward.
I think it's a very important case to this city, this community, all of Madison County, but also all of the country. Obviously, we're grappling a lot with these issues. City of Huntsville is an amazing place. Everybody knows that, but places can always get better. And in the modern world where there are as many or more calls about mental health, suicide to police and law enforcement as any other type of call, it's very important that they be provided the right kind of training when it comes to use of force or deadly force in those situations.
The city's attorneys saying the plaintiffs have not presented any arguments that there was a pattern of conduct where officers used excessive force in the past. Attorneys for Parker's family telling the judge under the law they don't have to show that, and the courts can still find the city didn't train Darby properly. Bottom line, Parker's attorneys arguing the city of Huntsville's police department has an unwritten custom in place, a policy that if a citizen has a gun and the officer says to drop it and they don't, you can shoot them.
And the call to the oral argument shows that the court understands that it's a very important case and being watched and wants to make sure that it's done right, and I'm sure it will be.
Huntsville's attorneys refused to do an interview following the hearing. Judge Burke is still weighing the motion in this case and has not ruled, but is expected to do so soon. As for the rest of the civil case, well, that's headed to trial this fall. In Huntsville, Matt Kroschel, Way 31 News.